Welcome back at the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. Giving you your favorite dishes, your favorite drinks, recipe like salad, drinks, food, you name it. Anyway, today we want to make you a nice, lovely half-a-moon cucumber salad with some sweet peppers and iceberg lettuce and some chopped tomato inside of it. Is just glorified. It's so beautiful and really nice. So hopefully you'll enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, leaving your comments. And thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. And as I said before, we always do our best, me and the team, working very hard to give you a recipe. So thank you so much and see you next time. Bye-bye. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Today we want to make you a nice, lovely cucumber moon salad, which is very, different. It's coming up to summer. We have to do a lot of salad and a lot of different kind of stuff. So basically, right here, this is quarter of lettuce. Most people call it iceberg lettuce. So basically, what you want to do, it's simple, just cut it up like this. So as you can see, this is the way it looks. Lovely and nice. I did wash it off before. Simple. Slicing your tomato into half like this. Cut out the little bit right here. And then simple. Cut it up into about 6 pieces on one side and a half. Lovely and nice. So as you can see, that's it so far. Lovely. Now I'm using half of a cucumber because it is half a moon cucumber salad. And now I'm gonna do simple though. Cut into half and simple. Get a spoon and simple scrape out the middle like this. Alright? So we're gonna scrape out the middle, and I know you guys are gonna just love this one. Alright? So as you can see, I just scraped down the half of this one already. As you can see, I scrape out the seed on the outside. So now we're gonna do the other half just the same way. Alright? Lovely. Once you scrape out the seed, that's it. Lovely and nice. Then next, simple. And this is how it looks. Half a moon cucumber salad. Scrape it just with that one. The iceberg lettuce and the tomato so far. Peppers. Please don't do what I'm doing. Take your time and also cut yours, alright? Lovely, as you can see. Nice one. Lovely. As you can see how colorful it is. Give it a mix. Little bit of coarse pepper. And a pinch of olive oil. Give it a stir. And then we're gonna simple share it now. Nice. So we're gonna share it. That's my bowl. And all I'm gonna do, simple put it in just like this. That's lovely and nice. That you can have that with anything, roast, whatever you like to have it with, you can have it with it. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Got a lot more recipe coming out for you guys. All you need to do is just stay tuned and enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, guys. So as you can see, I just sheared out and this is the way it look. So lovely and nice. So hopefully you will enjoy the full color of the Alpha Moon cucumber salad. And thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe coming out similar like these one, guys. So thank you so much and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team, working very hard to give you a recipe day by day. See you next time. Bye-bye.